Latest updates on new COVID vaccine passport. In this video update, we will talk about Air New Zealand's trial of COVID vaccine passport on Sydney flights. Airline aims to streamline health verification for travel as vaccinations begin. To test similar technology that proves that travellers have gotten vaccine, in April, Air New Zealand will trial a digital vaccine passport on flights between Auckland and Sydney, with Qantas investigating the matter. Since Australia has started their vaccination, the entire world has now considered taking these vaccines to continue international travel and track how Australia is keeping a check on their visitors. Many tech companies have joined hands with World Health Organization to develop a secure digital record that could track visitors and prove to airlines that travelers have gotten COVID vaccine. In April, Air New Zealand will test an app called Travel Pass, developed by the International Air Transport Association, to check if it helps travelers know important things they must carry to their next international trip. This app will help practitioners send test results of people being tested through this app so they can verify it. The traveler has all the required documents needed by the country they are traveling to. Furthermore, this information is then shared with airlines or border control after the approval of the travel to check if the visitor is eligible to travel. The airline is still discussing with the government about the integration of the app into vaccination and testing methods. Guardian Australia knows that Qantas is looking at numerous vaccination passport app, but has not announced yet. Alan Joyce, chief executive of Australian Airline, said that the country will now make it compulsory for travellers who are willing to visit Australia to undergo COVID vaccination. Australian Department of Health stated that they are looking forward to the results of the Air New Zealand trial. The statement said that the Australian government wishes to ensure the safety of their people through efficient collection and verification of traveller data while keeping a strict check their privacy. The United States had used a similar app called Health Pass, developed by a company Clear to check travellers. According to Air New Zealand, the digital passports did not use central database storing personal information. According to the company, the information shared is secured and safe and does not risk any customer's privacy. It is still unclear how effective the trial will be until the two countries reach a mutual consensus. Moreover, it said that, by the time this vaccine starts, 1 in 6 Australian will be vaccinated. According to Jennifer Seppel, Chief Digital Officer of Air New Zealand, after the app the customers would have peace of mind, after knowing that they have met all the requirements of the country they are travelling to before reaching the airport. She also said that travel would look very different after borders between countries open. She also informed that, by using the app all the passengers on board would know that they have fulfilled all the requirements required by the country. Nick Kareen, Senior Vice President Airport of IATA, hoped that the app would prove to be effective in resuming travel between the countries. He also said that the trials would help the government track travellers to check if they are vaccinated, which in turn will ease travelling. The app is secure using highest levels of privacy concerns, and passengers who are okay to travel will have their information confidential. The trial would begin in April after the launch of the app, and the Air New Zealand would invite both the aircrew and travellers to download the digital passport. This is the end of today's video update. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and press the subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching today's video update.